The knee is a standout amongst the most essential joints in our body. On account of it, the femur, fibula, and patella stay together and can slide to produce distinctive developments, for example, running, strolling, stooping, sitting, and a large group of developments that we make in regular daily existence. The wear of the knees can bring a great deal of distresses. The most widely recognized are torment and irritation, yet it can likewise cause the loss of versatility. Henceforth, the significance of treating it early. In the event that we do as such, we can stay away from more regrettable, maybe even unsalvageable harm to the joint. Knee torment, eliminate everlastingly with a characteristic formula. In the event that you need to dispose of knee torment without utilizing more medications, you cannot quit perusing this video. Because of how valuable it will be, it is exceptionally visited that this joint is wearing ceaselessly, especially the elderly can encounter this wear. Luckily, there are fixings that nature gives to enable us to calm torment on our knees without the requirement for prescription and just with 2 eggs. Then again, we should know likewise that this verbalization bolsters 80% of the heaviness of our body. Accordingly, its wear isn't phenomenal. Truth be told, after some time it is typical for this to happen to a specific degree. Different variables that can fundamentally influence the wear of this joint are overweight, wounds, unreasonable exertion, joint pain, or some fall. Next, we will demonstrate to you generally accepted methods to dispose of knee torment rapidly and effectively with a capable normal cure. Solution for ease knee torment. To set up this cure you will require an egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of salt, a versatile swathe. Readiness strategy. Beat the yolk and then include the salt and blend well. Method of utilization. Soak some cotton with the blend and place it on your sore knee. Utilize the versatile swathe to hold the cotton. Leave the cotton on the knee for about 2 hours. After that you can remove it and throw it away. Apply these packs no less than 4 times during the day. How this cure works. Salt has a high magnesium content. Being retained through the skin diminishes aggravation in the zone, making the agony die down. Egg yolk, then again, has a high substance of proteins and minerals that can infiltrate our skin and reinforce the tissues, tendons, and bones of the region. Suggestions. Another helpful method to alleviate torment in the knees is by putting an ice pack in the region. You can apply ice on your influenced knee 4 or 5 times each day. With this, you can supplement the past treatment. Likewise, you can delicately rub the knee with mustard basic oil. Mustard is a flavor that has turned out to be extremely compelling in enhancing course. By actuating flow in the area, will help prevent aggravation, and in this way, the agony will vanish.